Hello friends, today we study the chapter 4th 9th class mathematics, linear equation in two variable। आज हम कक्षा 9 का गणित का चैप्टर 4 लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल का अध्ययन करेंगे। लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल में आज का टॉपिक है इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन पैरेलल टू द एक्स एक्सिस एंड वाई एक्सिस। आज का टॉपिक क्या है? एक्स और वाई के पैरेलल में लाइन की इक्वेशन याद करना। फ्रेंड्स, up till now you have the study the write the coordinate of a given point in Cartesian plane, or study write the coordinate of a given point in a Cartesian plane. Now we take some point. What point? We take some point. What point? We take some point, but point 2 and 0, point -3 and 0, point 4 and 0, and point n and 0। हम ये सब पॉइंट लेते हैं। What you see, these points lie in the Cartesian plane for any real value of n. These points lie in Cartesian plane for any real value of n. Real value of n. These points lie in the Cartesian plane for real value of n. What you see that they all lie on the x-axis. They all lie on the x-axis. You see, we draw a plane, Cartesian plane. This is Cartesian plane. This is x-axis. This is x-axis, and this is y-axis. We equally divide the axis 1, 2, 3 and 4. -1, -2, -3 and -4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. -1, -2, -3 and -4. Now we put this point in the plane. 2 and 0, 2 and 0, this point, minus 3 and 0, minus s equal to minus के 3 and y equal to 0, 4 and 0, this point, and n and 0, n is this point, and this, suppose this point is n, then n and 0. You see, all the point is lie on the s-axis, because on the s-axis the y-coordinate of each point is 0. On the s-axis, s-axis के ऊपर क्या है, y-coordinate क्या है, 0, मीन्स y इक्वल टू क्या है, 0 है. So be telling that every point on the s-axis is from x and 0. s एक्सिस पर जो ये पॉइंट है वो x और 0 से बनेंगे. मीन्स y coordinate is always 0. So it is given that y equal to 0. Then we telling that y equal to 0 is a equation of the s-axis. s-axis की इक्वेशन क्या है, s-axis की इक्वेशन है y equal to 0. We can express as y equal to 0 कैसे करते हैं, 0x plus y equal to 0. इसको हम इस प्रकार भी लिख सकते हैं. We can express this such that from this observation we write the y-axis equation is s equal to 0. We can write this as this is y-axis equation. Now we consider a equation. Suppose s equal to 2 एक इक्वेशन है. इसको हम s माइनस 2 इक्वल टू 0 भी ले सकते हैं. अब इसको हम इस पे ले सकते हैं. If this equation is treated as an equation in one variable only, treated as one variable, then क्या होगा, it has unique solution. which is क्या होगा, s equal to 2, that is क्या है, which is a point. which is a point s equal to 2, s equal to यूनिट सॉल्यूशन क्या होगा इसका, s इक्वल टू 2, which is a point on the number line, which is a point, which is a point on number लाइन. ये क्या है, एक पॉइंट है ऑन नंबर लाइन के ऊपर. नाउ इट कैन एक्सप्रेस सच 1x प्लस 0y इक्वल टू 2 या 1.x plus 0.y minus 2 equal to 0. Then it is two variable algebraic equation. In two variable algebraic equation have the infinitely many solution. इसके सॉल्यूशन क्या हो गए, इनफाइनेटली. infinitely many solution. इसके infinitely many solution होंगे. They are all from they are all from two and r is any real number. Now we represent on in the graph. How? Suppose this is a x-axis and this is y-axis. Now if we consider this is a one variable equation, then that is a this point only. This is a this point only. If we consider is a two variable equation, then it has infinite many solution, because we take this equation. इसके सॉल्यूशन क्या होंगे, या टेक दिस इक्वेशन. s equal to 1 and y equal to s equal to क्या आएगा 2. सॉल्यूशन क्या आएगा 2. एनी वैल्यू ऑफ द y की वैल्यू हम क्या करते हैं 1 पुट करो, या y की वैल्यू हम 2 पुट करें, या y की वैल्यू हम 3 पुट करें, या y की वैल्यू हम 4 पुट करें, कोई वैल्यू पुट करे तो इसकी हम कोई वैल्यू पुट करके इसके हम इनफाइनाइट सॉल्यूशन निकाल सकते हैं। जैसे हम 2 और 1 पुट करते हैं तो भी ये इक्वेशन सेटिस्फाई होती है। 2 इंटू 1 इक्वल टू 0 इंटू 1 इक्वल टू 0 में 2 इक्वल टू 2 2 एंड 2 पुट करते हैं तो 2 इंटू 1 2 प्लस 2 इंटू 0 0 इंटू 2 इक्वल टू 0 मीन्स 2 मीन्स we find the infinite many solution if we consider it is a two variable equation. Now we put this value, this solution, this value of the solution in the graph, then 2 s equal to 2 y equal to 1, this point 2 and 1, then s equal to 2 and y equal to 2, then this point, then s equal to 2 and y equal to 3, s equal to 2 y equal to 3, then this point. We join this point, then we find a straight line, such straight. We find such straight line that is represent the line, that is represent the equation. Now we take an example. Example number 9. Solve the equation 2x plus 1 equal to x minus 3 and represent the solution on the number line and the Cartesian plane. First we simplify this equation, then s equal x plus 4 equal to 0. S plus 4 equal to 0. This is one variable equation. If we treat one variable equation, then its unique solution. Unique solution, but s equal to minus 4. That is a point on the number line. If we treat this as a two variable equation, then write it is a two variable equation, then its solution is infinite many solution. What is the solution this point? We form a table such that its solution is x and y pair of x and y. Then we put in this equation for value of x equal to minus k4 for any value of the y. Any value of the y. Suppose we put a y value is 0, then x value is minus 4. We simplify this such that so we value put y equal to 0, then s equal to minus k4, then y equal to y equal to 1, then y s equal to minus k4, then y equal to 2, then s equal to minus k4, then y equal to 3, then s equal to minus के 4. Now representation in the graph. Suppose this is a number line. In number line, at the center is 0. Right hand side we consider positive. We divide the number line in equal parts. And right hand side is we consider positive number. And left hand side we consider negative number. We put the value, ये क्या है, नंबर लाइन है. We put the value on the number line, then we find this point. This is represent at s equal to minus k4. Now in geometrical plane, we consider one horizontal line that is called s-axis and one vertical line that is called y-axis. We equally divide the line 1, 2, 3 and 4. Minus की 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus की 4 up to infinity. 1, 2, 3 and 4 is 0. Minus की 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. Then we put the solution in the geometrical plane. Minus k4 is come. This is minus k4. Then minus k4 is coordinate minus k4 and 0. I equal to 0. Then minus 4. Then other value is 1. Then this minus k4 and 2. Then this minus k4 and 3. We join this point and find a straight line. All point which is available on this straight line, that is satisfy the given equation. But 2x plus 1 equal to x minus 3. Understand, friend? और इसको सिंपली फॉर्म में हमने लिखा है s इक्वल टू माइनस के 4. वी कैन. अब now we solve the exercise.